Hey guys, in this super quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove the background of your photo with just one click. Yes, just one click. Before we get started, I have to clarify, this hack will not work for every photo. If this doesn't work for you, I also have other videos on how you can cut photos out in Photoshop. Okay, let's get started. All you need to do is go to the image properties and click Remove Background under Quick Actions, and that's it. Photoshop will do its best to automatically cut out the background of your photo. I'll show you one more time. This time, I'll show you how you can also add a new background included in this one click. Just make sure you put your background layer under the image. Go to Properties and click Remove Background. And there you go, now you have a cutout of your image with a completely new background. I post new fast and easy design tutorials every Wednesday. If you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified about my latest videos.